During the Progressives era, progressives wanted to help solve inequality and justice. People also tried to do this by getting small groups or joining in political powers. Progressives wanted um, people wanted to people wanted a good government who were for the people, but also knew how to govern. The main problem was caused by social problems like being poor, violence, and many other things. Child labor was brought to the attention of many people. Children worked long hours and low pay, just in bad working conditions. At least 2 million children under the age of 15 were working. Unions were created to help prevent poor conditions. Unions were created to help prevent poor conditions against these people. People were looking towards the government to take an active role. Democracy began to grow. The right to vote began to get into the people's hands instead of the government's. But to also help people, African Americans, poll tax were put in place along with literacy tests. Jim Crow laws legally segregated people in the South. The Plessy versus Ferguson case allowed segregation if they were equal, but they weren't. Whites had a cleaner place to work while blacks had a dirtier area and wherever they had. Booker T. Washington wanted blacks to earn their respect through working and getting hard from white people, while W.E. Du Bois had a completely different opinion and wanted blacks to have an education and get their respect through white people by getting a degree. During the Progressive era, it was the movement of many reforms and fixing many things.